Alright, since it come to my attention that y'all haven't learned about Pthread Mutexes, let me clear this. Let me show you real quickly what they are. Pthread does have a mutex library right here. It's part of Pthread, so you don't have to add anything already to your Pthread program. But if you wish to use a mutex, you'll need to create it. I highly recommend you keep them global for these the lab. Excuse me. It is a Pthread underscore mutex underscore t, and then space whatever you want to call it, in this case mutex. Make sure that you initialize it. Set the second one to null. Make sure you pass it as a pointer to it so it can actually change the correct value. Set it to null, aka it doesn't do anything. I mean, it's just an empty mutex ready to go. And also make sure that you destroy the mutex towards the end. That's just good programming practice. All right, I've greatly simplified our Pthread. Previous Pthread program. So that grabs a lock, says I'm in the critical section, and then unlocks it afterwards. So that's all that these threads are going to do. So they're going to go, I'm going to compile and run. They're all in the critical section. Notice that if I forget to unlock it, how many times do you think it's going to say I'm in the critical section? And then it's going to hang because we have dead. It does.
We have an infinite.
Your program's really running over and over again. Yeah, we have deadlock because we did not unlock the mutex. Naturally, you can have more than one mutex. Any questions?
That was my question. Can you have more than one mutex? You said that's right.
Oh yeah.
Well, we've got it in global, so if we do one, we have to name them. We have to declare them all in global.
I highly recommend doing that way. You don't have to, but I mean, you can always have 1,024 of them for whatever reason. Or you can name them something else.
How would we set up the weight?
The weight is a lock. If you call lock and you're asking to lock it, and if it's already locked, you are now waiting. So lock is wait,
And that will.
and unlock is signal.
And that will do the whole thing where it actually sleeps.
Yes.
Okay. So that's built in. We don't have.
All that's built in.
Okay.
And you're going to post this?
And to the class code once I'm done with this lecture.
Cool.
This hopefully short one. Any other questions? Comments? No?
No, that was what you showed up here was good.
All right, let me go ahead and add it. The interwebs are slow.